All right, guys, I've just made $158 from this particular account, although they have just paid me that money, and what's remaining right here now is $9. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this $158, and they have already paid $149 into my account. Okay, now you can actually make this amount of money. What I do here is I tried so many things, and once it worked for me, I bring it down here to this channel so that you watch and do that exact same thing which I did, and you too will still achieve that exact same result which I've already achieved. Okay, the only thing that you have to do for me here is to pay attention, listen to this video, and make sure you watch to the end of this video. Subscribe to this platform so that we can be bringing to you more videos like this. This is not the only account that I have, okay? But what I do is I create new channel and I try that particular one, and once it works, I bring it down to this place. So the reason for this video, I told you that this video is almost going to be about 5 to 6 parts, okay? And I'm going to be disintegrating the script in such a way that everybody must be following along. Okay, so now let's dive into this. The way I did this is very simple, but it's a kind of so complicated, but for you to follow up and pay attention is going to worth it. Okay, it will worth it. Then let's go straight to the point. Now the first thing that we have to do now is to create a website where we'll be pushing the traffic to. And creating the website is what this particular video is going to be focusing on. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do is to go to Play Store and search for Chat GPT. This is Chat GPT. I'm going to update my own. Your own will show install. This is for Android users, Android phone users. We're not talking about uh all this iPhone, but you can actually go to Apple Store and get iPhone Chat GPT app. Okay, so or you make use of OpenAI. It's still this Chat GPT on, like, using your Google Chrome. So I'm only updating my own. Then make sure you install this Chat GPT. As I install my own, let's wait for it. Use this opportunity to follow, subscribe, like this video, and share. Now you need to click on this open button here, and here we are. Good, you can see it now. Now the first thing that you will need to do is, once you install this ChatGPT, next thing that you will also going to install is okay, let's search for Code Studio. Code Studio. Okay, this is it here. This is it here. Okay, now I only need to update my own, but your own will show install. Just make sure you install it. Okay, now the next thing that we have here is go straight to that ChatGPT and open it. Now here we're going to prompt this ChatGPT to generate the code for us. Just make sure you're paying attention. Now see what we're going to do. You're going to tell ChatGPT to, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, write a code with a card. Inside the card, put a picture or web image view. At the below below the image, set web text view, sorry, set the text view for the image description. Put a button on the card name the button claim now. Then we're going to send this to ChatGPT and allow it to generate for us. This first one here is the HTML, the second one is the CSS style, and the third one is JavaScript. But here now, we are not going to be handling all these things one after the other. Tell ChatGPT to combine all this code into HTML document. It's going to combine all of them in one document that is called inline coding. This is inline coding. Okay, I'm actually doing this thing for some of us that did not know how to code, so that you, with the help of ChatGPT, you can do that. Now click on copy code, then go and open that code studio. Once you open code studio, then you come to new, click on HTML file, then set a name for it. What's the name for that? Let's say Adsterra site. Click on create, then this thing will open. Then wipe everything here and paste the thing that you copied from that ChatGPT. Click on this play. You see this play button here. This is play button here. Click on that button so that it will run the code and show you how the code look like. Once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. Can you see it? Now this is a description of the image. Can you see it? Now another thing that we need to do now is to download image or phone. Once you download the image, let's go straight to the Google and get image. Let's say iPhone 15. You see it? Then we're going to download this particular one. And after we're done downloading it, then you go to Play Store and install any link shortener. For me, I'm using this thing. You can use any link shortener. I'm using short link here. This is it. Then what I do next is, oh sorry, you download Blogger. Go to Play Store and download Blogger. This is it here. Once you download the Blogger, you're going to create a site with the Blogger. Okay, and this is where I host most of the pictures that I'm using for my site. Okay, now we're going to click on this button here, then put title. Maybe you said Adsterra image material. Then you click on start creating post. Here you click this image stuff down below, and then next thing is to select that image that we downloaded. This is it here, and it will upload automatically. Okay, okay, click on save. Then here now you're going to click on this button here to publish. Click on this button here to publish. Okay, then once you click on it, then hit on publish here. I hope you are following. This video is actually long, but we're going to make it short. Then click on it again, and you're going to see this tray button. You can see that they post how. Okay, click on these three buttons here. Okay, and then click on view post. You see view post here. This is going to take you to Chrome, where you're going to get the URL of that particular image. Okay, this is it here. Okay, this is the image. Now long click this image, and you're going to see copy link address. Hope you see it here. This is a copy link address here. Okay, then click on it, and you see that I've copied the link. Then go straight to that link shortener, paste it here, then set a name for it. Maybe you say iPhone. Okay, then click on shrink. Okay, someone already used this particular name. Maybe you just put anything random, and then what's wrong? Select all. Let's decline this and get the URL again. Copy link address. Yeah, copy link address. Then take it back here, paste it here, then click on shrink. What is wrong with this? Maybe I'll try this one. Paste it here, click on shrink. It's going to shrink and get you a new URL that is going to be very short. Then click on it here and copy. You can see where I copied it now. This is where I clicked. This is where I clicked. Copy it from there, and then go back to that code studio. Okay, then click on this to edit the code. Click this. Okay, when you click on it, you're going to scroll down. You need to read this code very well so that you can be able to know where to put that now. See this image. You can see image here. This source, look at it very well. Let me use arrow so that you see it. You can see image. You see image source. That image source means where that image, that the URL, I mean the image that we're going to use on that website, where is it coming from? Then this is the URL of the image. Okay, that is where we're going to paste the URL that we just copied. Okay, then you need to remove this particular one now. And then do what? Paste the other one. Then once you are done pasting it, click on that play button again. You know, I've showed you this play button before now. This is it. Then click on it. you're going to see that the image will appear immediately. Okay, you can see it now. You can see it now. You see this down below there. This is a description of the image. Now click that pen again so that you can give the image description. You know what you're going to put here? Just look for, let's say, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, you can actually say, click on this play button again. You see it now, iPhone 15 Pro Max. You will now see claim now. Okay, claim now. Okay, now if you check this stuff very well, you're going to see that the button need to be a kind of animating so that the person will see it and notice that this particular place is where you're supposed to click. Then click on that pen, copy the whole of this code. Okay, copy the whole of this code and then go back to ChatGPT. Paste this code here and tell ChatGPT on the button, make it to animate, or let's say set animation on the button. Then send it. It's going to generate, to add animation to the button with the help of CSS. Okay, now you need to wait for it to generate. All right, then copy the code, go back to that code studio and select all of this, remove it and paste the new code. Then click on that play button. You're going to see that the button will start animating. Can you see it? Can you see it? You see, this is nice work. Now what you do now is you click that pen and then copy from this body. Check very well so that you will not make mistake. From this body, this is body here, to the next body here, you're going to see script and another script here. This one is for the button. Now you can see this div and another div here is for the picture and the button on click. Okay, so the one that you're going to copy now is from, you're going to copy from this div to this script. Okay, this is where you're going to copy from here. Copy it until the last script, the last one, oh, that is in between the body. Copy, then click here and bring it down, paste it here again. That particular thing that I just copied, paste it here and play it. You're going to see that the stuff is going to be 2 right now. Okay, now we don't like it this way. We want it to appear in vertical order, not horizontal order. Then what you do now is copy the whole of the code, select all, copy it, then take it to your ChatGPT again. You now say paste it here. Now tell ChatGPT that I want you to set this card to vertical 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 order when I add more to it. Okay, when I add more to it, then send it. You will see that ChatGPT is going to do exactly what you've entered. Now ChatGPT said to ensure that the cards are displayed in a vertical order, you can modify the parent container to use a flex box layout with a vertical direction. Here is how you can adjust the code, and this is what the young man is doing for us. Okay, so that is it. Now we now need to copy this code from here and take it back to our code studio. Remove that one and paste the new one, then click on run. Have you seen it now? You can now see that it's showing well. Now when you add more, that is copying from this this div that I showed you, copy from here to this last script, copy, then paste it here. Then play it and you see it. You can now see that we have about 4 different pictures here. You can continue adding more. You can continue adding more if you want to add more. Paste, you play it, you can see it. So I think this is nice, right? Okay, good. Now I want you to know something. Click on this particular button. Once you click on this particular button, what will happen? Now this is where the whole work enters. Then go straight to your Adsterra. Go to Adsterra. Then you go straight to your direct link. Click on direct link. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video about Adsterra, please you need to watch my other video so that you learn how to create this account. Okay, or probably you can watch other video on how to create Adsterra account. Then you come back and follow us. Click on this direct link. Then you're going to see this link here. I prefer using adult because adult link is going to give you huge CPM. Then copy from here. Once you copy it, go straight back to that code. Then click this pen. Now on click at that button, what will happen? Okay, it should do what? It should take you straight to the Adsterra direct link. Now there is nowhere this the ChatGPT provided for us to put the link. Okay, for you not to make mistake, I will have a kind of write the code, but let me just show you. Since we are already using ChatGPT, let's use ChatGPT. Okay, now just copy the link and go back to ChatGPT again, paste the link, paste the code here, and tell ChatGPT on button click set URL, send it to the ChatGPT. It will now generate it. Okay, you can see it here. Then we need to copy from here, then go back to the code studio, select all and wipe it, then paste the new one, click on it. Then you can see that if you click on it, it will take you to this place. But what you need to do now is to replace that link. If you go down, then you're going to see function claim noun window.location.href is equals to www.example.com. This is where you're going to place your Adsterra direct link. Go back to Adsterra, copy the Adsterra direct link, then go back to the to the site, and then paste it here. Then after pasting it, then click on play. Now all of these buttons here is not activated to your Adsterra direct link. Once you click on it, bam, it will load your Adsterra direct link and then display it to the users. Okay, you can see that it is now showing okay, it's showing web page not available. If you load this thing using your browser, it's going to show. This one is normal. It's, although they have inbuilt browser here, but at times it doesn't work, at times it will work. All right, so you can see that we are already on. You can see that this one displayed. You see it now. This is your normal art. This is your Adsterra art. Now we are almost done. We are almost done. So here now, what you need to do is, we have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 iPhone to claim, but what you need to do is you change all of this iPhone color, change the color based on color, change based on the names and rest of them, so that when users enter here, they will choose according to their to their own like. Okay, to their own preference, the color they like, all those things. Now we are almost done. The next thing we need to do now is to hit this this place, copy all of this code, copy all of this code, copy, then go to your site, to your Chrome, then search blogger.com. If you search blogger.com, you are going to sign up. I've already signed up here. Then click on here, then go down. You can see all these website. They are the ones that I've been using to make money. Okay, now even during Xmas, I do Xmas giveaway, all those things. They are the ones that I have been using to make money. Then click on new blog, then enter name here. maybe you say give away. Click on next. Here is where you're going to put the URL. Maybe say give away, or maybe August give away. Okay, then you click on, okay, this address is not available. Maybe you put 2024 if it will be available. It's not okay. Check it. Okay, this blog is available. Then you click on save. You click on save. They are saving it. You can see this is our new then you come to this place and click on view blog for you to see how the blog looks like. You view the blog, and this is it. You can see that there is nothing here. We don't have any content. There is no text, nothing. It's just empty. Then go back. You click on theme. Click on theme here. This is theme here. Click on it. Then you come to this place and click this drop down arrow and click on switch to first generation classic theme. Once you click to that, click to it, it's going to ask you question like switch to, sorry, we've made a mistake. Click on the switch to first generation, then now switch without backup. Now after switching, you're going to see edit HTML here. Click on edit HTML, then make sure your this thing, your Google Chrome is using a desktop mode. Okay, how do you put your this thing to desktop mode? Click on this place here. You're going to see desktop site. Check it just like as I did here. Now long press on this, then click on all, then wipe everything here. As you've done that, paste the other one that you copied from our code studio, paste it here. Then once you paste this, you go and save. See it at the top corner. You click on this thing that look like memory card. Click on save there. Once you click on that, you are going to update the code. You just need to wait. If you look down, you see where the thing wrote update. Okay, update failed. You need to click again. What is wrong with this thing? Okay, maybe we'll go back and click on edit HTML again. They say something went wrong when loading your data. Okay, maybe we'll reload again. The video is actually taking time, but I think this blog was removed for violating bloggers. This, if you wish to request a review, okay, maybe we'll request for review. This is strange. I've not met this before. But I think we need to create another site. Just click on new blog. I've not met this before, but thank God we are all experiencing it. Now you now say give, okay, let's grab now. You click on next. You now say grab now at blogspot.com. Okay, grab now. Let's say grab now. If okay, it's available, then click on save. Let's create a new one. Okay, you can see it, we are here now. Then click on theme. Then come here and revert to the first generation, and then switch without backup. Click on HTML editing, and then here we're going to wipe all the code here. Select all, wipe it all, and then paste in a new one from our code studio. Paste it here, and then save. Click on save. You can see this one went okay and successful. Then click here again, and then click on view blog. You can see that this is the main issue that at times we face. At times when we try to view the site, the code will not show up. If your own is like this, what you need to do is to come back to that theme, then revert to any of this theme here. Just apply any of this theme here. Apply. Click on apply. After applying, then you come back here and do what? Switch to first generation classic theme here. Click on it, and then here you switch without backup. Okay, then go and visit your blog again to see if the code will appear. Boom, you can see it that everything is working normal here. You see it now, everything is now working normal. Once you click on claim now, it's going to take you to your, you understand, you can see it now. You can see it, guys. Okay, now that is it. Good. All of this claim now button is now okay. Remember that I told you to change all these pictures and the names so that it will go according to, you know, something like that. Now we are done for today's video. This is just what we need to do. This is the first video. The next step now is we are going to create a platform. There is a platform that will help us to promote this particular site. You understand? We're not going to waste money on this. We're also coming to decide that where we're going to spend money, but for this particular video until the end, we'll be making money and we're not going to spend money. Okay, maybe the money that we may grab from this particular one, we are going to use it to run ads later in the day to check that particular one on how that one is going to be. I'm also going to teach you everything on that side, but this particular one now, we are not going to spend any money and we are going to make money. The only thing there is that it's going to take us little time. It will only take time for the stammerer to call his father's name. Now, if you watch this video to this very point, go to the comment section and say, Mr. Yben. Just type my name there, Mr. Yben. Type Mr. Yben so that I will know that you really watch the video till the end. Go to the comment section and type Mr. Yben. Okay. So thank you for watching today's tutorial. May God bless you.